better to consume foods and beverages that enhance good health. Good morning. Rather than those which impair it. It's better to be physically fit than out of shape. I'm quoting a wise person. Those who think they have no time for exercise, those who say that they have no time for exercise, will sooner or later have to find time for illness. If you don't have to look after your health, you will have to spend much more time in treating your illness. So exercise, simple remedies. Half an hour a day, can't we spend out of 24 hours? Half an hour a day, 30 minutes. If you spend these 30 minutes on either a gym or swim or yoga or walk, running or some game, remaining 23 and a half hours are spent usefully. You'll have good sleep. You can eat food without feeling guilty. You enjoy your food, digest it. You are alert, your efficiency goes up. So, use the staircase instead of elevator or escalator and walk whenever possible. Allow yourself adequate sleep. It was emphasized yesterday also. Use seat belts and helmets and encourage others to do so. I was in Ahmedabad last week for the EMRI 108, the emergency ambulance service. We had the advisory board meeting. The doctors who came for the meeting, they said, please ask the police to enforce this helmet and seat belt laws. Because, if there's an accident, you should not prematurely die. When the death happens, it has to happen. We should not cut short our given life out of our foolishness or carelessness. So I met the DG of police and told him, I said, enforce this helmet law. Because, it is if a person is dead, he's gone. Unfortunate, but he's gone. But if you become a vegetable, have a head injury and lie down for months and months together in a hospital, it's a pain to the family, liability to society, tax on the whole nation. Seat belt, wearing seat belt. They say sometimes they say helmet, put it on when there is a policeman and remove it, as if they are doing it for the policeman. It's little inconvenience, but to save your life, it has been done. Again, seat belt also. Most of the nations, all the passengers had to wear seat belt. And the statistic shows that people who are wearing seat belt as an accident or a helmet, the injuries are much less. The casualties are also very few. And certainly, very few of them live with disabilities later on. Learn to recognize early signs of illness, I mentioned to you. Listen to your body. Eat breakfast. Is the most important part of the day, meal of the day. Eat a variety of healthy foods shown by Dr. Vijaya Venkat yesterday, and Dr. Ketan Shah will talk about it much more. Stop smoking and protect yourself against second-hand smoke. I would say that now. Use the cell phone also sparingly. My friend in Australia, he showed me 2 years back, he showed all that. He said it does damage. This radiation does cause damage to the brain, to the ear. Then the cell phone manufacturers say, no, it's not correct, there is no evidence. He was telling this is what the tobacco lobby said 30 years back. When the warning came, tobacco is injurious for health, it's going to cause cancer. The tobacco lobby, they can also commission experts, Today, you can buy expert opinions with money. They said nothing wrong. Now today, you see how millions and millions of people suffering from cancer and all sorts of things just because of tobacco. Same thing is happening with the cell phone things. I know you cannot live without the phones. But use it sparingly. And particularly they say pregnant women, children should not use. They say some hands-off thing and all that. Don't keep it close to your ear and all that. One state in America, I think it's California, they have made it compulsory for the phone manufacturers to stamp on the phone injurious for health, like the tobacco, like the cigarette smoke. So, and again, you can't avoid totally, but you can at least minimize sugar, salt, fat, and alcohol and all that. Now, mental wellness, when we speak, There is I have not come across any really a satisfactory definition of mental wellness, but we can define its absence. Depressive symptoms, behaviors that identify anxiety, which is seen in many people, they affect the quality and enjoyment of life. Depressed people tend to exercise less, smoke more, and eat less healthily. 60 to 90% of the people who commit suicide are reported to be suffering from some sort of a depression or the other. Now, mental health, wellness is affected by factors like physical activity, good nutrition, same thing, what applies for physical activity is all. And an optimistic life, humor, creativity and faith. Laughter is the best medicine. Keep good company, satsang as we call it. Emotionally enriched environment that you encounter on your path. You will find peaceful harmony between your internal personal feelings and emotions and the rough and rugged stretches, obstacles you find on your path in the world. While traveling the path, you may experience many feelings of doubt, despair, fear, disappointment and dislocation, as well as feelings of pleasure, joy, happiness and discovery. These are all important experiences and components of the terrain. You will know you are becoming spiritually well when your action becomes more consistent with your beliefs and values. You will begin to believe that spiritually, it's better to ponder the meaning of life for ourselves and to be tolerant to the beliefs of others than to close our minds and become intolerant. That is respecting other ways of life, other ways of faith, other